Hi, my name is Sheikh Ishan Rahman and I am currently pursuing my third year BTech in Computer Science from Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology. As a part of Microsoft Student Partner Program, I like to share with you all about Windows Azure. We are all hearing constantly about the word cloud, and one of the cloud services from Microsoft is Windows Azure platform. However, many of us are unsure what it is and how it can be compared to different cloud services. Well, at the most basic level, Azure can be thought of as an application platform that is hosted by Microsoft, where you can run your applications that have been designed only for Azure. It's an open platform, but with very few considerations because your application will be running in a distributed manner. As a customer, your only requirement will be whether you have developed the application as per Azure requirements. You don't have to worry about any other infrastructure components. Well, Windows Azure is now made up of three major levels. The first one is the fabric. It's an abstracted set of computing resources that are used to run applications. In short, these abstracted sources are nothing but a collection of computers. Second layer is the storage layer. It's a location to store data that can be accessed by the entire data center. Storage can contain any kind of binary large objects, that is blobs in short, which contain different type of data such as media or images. Next part is tables for structured data, and the third one you can store is like queues to place items or asynchronous messages. The third layer is now the developer experience or SDK. It is nothing but this layer focuses on letting the developer to create rich application programs to run in Windows Azure. Generally, the only specification considering for Azure is not to create applications with state information, but the application because the application is running on multiple servers, so they would not maintain state crossbox. Now think of Windows Azure as a place to run your application in a Microsoft hosted environment. Azure is highly scalable and available environment, and users are built only based on what they actually use. It is a utility model. You just pay for what you use and not for the time which overtiming. Now typical usages of Windows Azure include, like for example, you can take web applications that require scalability today or in the future. Next, second example is like you can take grid computing, which has a very limited run workload that requires large amount of processing, but in only one-time event. It's an only one-time event. Like few years back, Azure used to be really difficult to use. It was not user friendly, but now you had to use only .NET to create your applications. But now it has become really user friendly. Now you can use any kind of developer toolset such as PHP or native code. So Windows Azure is like similar to my Windows. It is user friendly and you can use any kind of developer toolset. Concluding this, I like to tell you how it differs from other cloud solutions. For example, we can take Amazon service. It is more of a virtual infrastructure service where they run your virtual machines, where they run on virtual machines. Azure is more like Google Apps is more like Azure, where it just focuses on application. But even Google Apps has a limited set of developer toolset, and they give less flexibility. Thank you.